Hi there, students. To box clever. Boxing clever. He was boxing clever. Okay, this is an idiom, a British idiom. It means to act in a skillful way, to be cunning, to be tricky, to be sly, to be deceitful, in order to achieve what you want. So you're going to have to box clever, otherwise you're going to end up losing your job. To act so as to outwit somebody, to beat somebody. So box clever and keep your mouth shut, and you'll be all right. Okay, now notice this phrase, to box clever, is informal, and if you actually look at the structure, it should be box to box cleverly. Yeah, so clever as a noun doesn't go here. Yeah, to box cleverly, really it should be, but to box clever is the phrase that they use. You're going to have to box clever if you want to get what you want. You're going to have to act wisely. If you don't box clever, you're going to be in terrible problems. You're going to have real difficulties. Yeah, but you're going to have to be very, very careful. You're going to have to think about how to act, and act in a very clever way in a difficult situation. Because if you don't box clever, you're going to be in for real trouble. By boxing clever, there are all sorts of government subsidies that you can receive, but you need to do the right thing. So to act cleverly, to act skillfully, to act cunningly, to act in a clever way. Yeah, and this is the idea of boxing clever. Yeah, you shouldn't just go ahead and do whatever seems easiest. Yeah, you need to use your intelligence. Yeah, even if you have to cheat a bit, you're going to have to box clever. Yeah, be very adroit. Yeah, be very smart. Yeah, because otherwise you're going to have difficulties. Yeah, use your intelligence to get what you want, even if you've got to cheat a little bit. But be canny, be strategic, be crafty, outsmart the system, outsmart the opponent, rather than just trying to deceive them. Yeah, so well, in life we all need to box clever in certain situations, because if we don't box clever, we're going to be in quite a lot of difficulties. So to act in a clever way, to be deceitful in order to achieve his goal. He achieved the position of chairman of the company because he boxed clever. Yeah, he knew what to do. He knew how to get it. He used inventive thinking in order to achieve his goal. Okay, if in life there are always situations where you need to box clever to do the best that you can. So the origin is to box as a boxer. Yeah, as a boxer you need to use your brain. Yeah, yes, it's good that you hit your opponent, but you need to do it in a clever way. You need to think about what you're doing, and that really is the origin. Formality, I think I'm going to give it a 3.5 in formality. To me, it sounds like a very London phrase. So box clever. Use your nous, use your intelligence. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Box clever.